Okay, now you can see the logic app. In the previous video we saved the logic app. Now let's try to run this one. So we have to create a new tweet. Let's go to the Twitter and let's add a new tweet. I love Cosmos DB and tweet this one. So if we come to the logic app designer, let's go to the overview section. Still there are no runs, so let's go to the logic app designer and let's increase the frequency, like let's say each 10 seconds, or maybe let's say 5 seconds, and save this one and run. Still yeah, it succeeded. So you can click on this one, the first instance that logic app has been run. Then you can see the run history and you can check whether when the new tweet is posted, the search text was /cosmosdb, and this is the tweet text, tweet ID, tweeted by. You don't have any media URLs here. You can check the user details, so the profile image URL, those things, and it's going to this step, detect profanity terms. So the content type was text plain, the text content, and the output, as the output that has got English as the text language. And in the condition we checked whether there are any abusive words. So we checked whether abusive word is null. So that's true. Then it has executed through this path and it has inserted a row like this. So now let's go to the query editor and check whether there are any data. Let's type a query and run that. Yeah, you have got the tweet user, created date time, user, profile image URL. If we go, and the tweet ID. Okay, so a new row is inserted here. Actually I have created a web application to catch these tweets. So in the web config I have connected to the this tweet database. So for this one I will change the data source. So I have to change the data source. Let's go to the overview section and click on the database connection string and copy that one. So for the connection string you can give this value. The easiest way is doing something like this. Okay, so my data source, it's not the server in the connection string, it should be data source. So I will copy this one, and for the database, the initial catalog is tweet filter database. User ID is Hansamali, password is this one. Okay, so now save this one and start the application. Let's check whether there are any that the tweet is appeared in the web application. It's still running. And let's click on the tweets. Okay, the invalid column ID. It seems there are some errors, so I think we don't have an ID field. That's why. Okay, so we'll fix this error and check whether we can retrieve that tweet information into this web application in the next video.